Hello, my name is Jean-Philippe Narcisse, and this is my project called EDRAFT. EDRAFT is an esports phone application catered towards gamers looking to get the latest on esports news. I drew inspiration for this project from Dinkla, who talked about participation versus interaction, and my goal for this was to explore user interface and user experience design, as well as human-computer interaction, as well as staying in my field of graphic design. Um, First and foremost, I used Adobe XD as a prototyping tool. As you will notice that the top navigation bar does not stay at the top and there is no bottom navigation bar. Reason for that being is Adobe XD does not have sticky objects, meaning the objects will not stay in place. They will scroll as the screen scrolls. So I worked around this and made it so that my app works without a bottom navigation. First, you go to the menu tool or the menu icon, and it will bring you to the main menu and our four topics for this application. The first topic is esports, and then from esports it brings you into the games, all the games for esports. Excuse me. Once you click on Call of Duty, it brings you to the Call of Duty teams page. Now this page only has Call of Duty teams, and the reason why I set it up like this is because it's a ladder effect and makes it easier organized for the interactor to get to where they need to go more directly, and it keeps it organized. Now, if you were to click on Sovereignty, which is the team that you would want to look at, the first page brings you to the news page by default, and this has, and you could be able to click on any of these news articles in order to read more about what the team has to offer. Now, if you click on roster to go to the next page, it will bring you to the names of the players and it has their positions for the roster. Now, let's say we were to click on Mutex or Matt Jones to see, it'll bring you to his specific player page, and it will have all the stats and his bio and his achievements on the page. And if you wanted to go back to see the other players, boom, right back there. And then from there, you can go to achievements, and same thing. You can scroll through the achievements, click on any one of these, and get the information that you were looking to read. And finally, you go to the media page, and the ideal goal for the media page is to have it so that you can play videos straight from here. The media page is going to be strictly videos, and unfortunately, Adobe XD does not allow you to play videos from the program. So now I have the thumbnails as you would in YouTube to display what the video would look like beforehand. Now you can use the eDraft to go back to the main page, or you can use the navigation bar to go back to the next thing. The next aspect of my project is the media page. And again, like I explained earlier, the media page ideally will be able to play the video strictly from, excuse me, strictly from the media page instead of bringing you into a new page. I feel like through research and experimentation, I found that just being able to play the video there instead of going to a new page makes it a lot easier and a lot more accessible to the interactor. Next is the news page, and here you just get news about any team, not any team specifically, but all the teams. And you could click, and once you click on a specific article, it brings you into the page where you could just read more about the player, or not about the player, but about the article. Sorry. And then you can click on the eDraft as well again, or you can click on the navigation bar. And finally, you go to teams. This teams page is similar towards the Call of Duty teams page, except for the fact that this has all the teams in all esports community there, as opposed to the Call of Duty page, which only had the teams for the Call of Duty aspect. And for now, that is my application. Um, Again, all the decisions I made on what to click, how to click, the menu bars were based off of research I did and surveys I did through for application design and user interface design. My next steps are to add a navigation bar at the bottom and possibly using a different prototyping tool to get more of more flowing user interface kind of connection. Um, I feel as if this relates to Dinkla because this is user interaction as opposed to user participation. Thank you very much.